Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have this TP-Link 5-port Gigabit desktop switch. So you guys can see that. And so what this is, it's a Gigabit network expansion thing for your house. So what you do is you connect this to your router, and then that gives you 5 more Ethernet ports which you can use around the house. So if you don't have enough Ethernet ports in some certain room or somewhere, you can connect this. So let's go ahead and open it up. First comes the guide. It just has a bunch of information about it. Put that to the side. Here's the port, and is there anything else? And then here is the power. So this is a diagram that shows you how it's set up. You guys can see it has, you plug it into with power, connected to your router, and then you can connect it to any other device that you have. Like that. So here it is. It's really small, only 5 extra ports, which is from 1 to 5 is pretty good. It gives up to 1000 megabits per second. So there that is. So what you have to do is you have to connect this power. You have to connect the power, and then you have to connect this to the router, and then you'll be able to then use it. And then also you can also wall mount it from the back. You guys can see. So this is going to be really useful for if you don't have enough ports on your router, for example, and you need to bring it somewhere else, or you don't have enough ports like in your room or some device needs it. You can just put this on, and you got extra ports that you can use then. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye!